What's up, guys, and welcome back to the garage. Today I wanted to do a review of the Firestone Rite Airbags and the Daystar cradles that I put on here about a couple of months ago now. That is the reason, and that large pallet there. I put the airbags on initially because the Carly lift uses softer than stock springs, and those springs reduce the factory payload of what I have is 1,959 pounds to 85% of that. So I did not want to have, already kind of anemic payload for a 2500 reduced any further. So I put the airbags on there and then wired them up to the onboard air compressor. If you guys haven't seen the install video of either of those, I will put a link to those in the description down below and also up here in the cards. But what I wanted to do today was review how they worked, and the short answer is really, really well. So what we have here is some flooring for my brother. So this is flooring for his new house that he purchased. It is 1,200 pounds, and scoot back here. You'll see there is currently zero sag. The top of this wheel well arch is 46.5 inches from the ground on both sides, which is what it was before we loaded this. I've got the bags inflated to 35 psi right now. What I'm going to do is deflate these bags and then show you how it looks, once the truck is fully sagged, and then re-inflate and show you how well everything is working here. Okay, I got the truck on, compressor running here. You can see there's 35 psi in the bags. Go ahead and set the target pressure. We'll take it down to 05 and then bring this down. Okay, so there you go. You'll see there's 5 on the PSI reading in the bags. Step back here. That is what 1,200 pounds looks like in the bed with the Carly springs. So as you can tell, that is not the greatest. I did have some more in there earlier. Right now we've just pulled out some of it. We've got 1,200 pounds. I'm going to bring this back up to 35. And see it go back up. We are locked on at 35. Seal off the valve here. Pressure off. So now the valve closed off in the compressor, and we are back to where I started this video. Nice and level, and good to go. So as you can tell, those bags were fantastic. When I had even more weight in here, I think I had close to max payload. I had another 20 some odd boxes of flooring in here that we since offloaded. Those were in the cab, and we were right close to max payload, and I was running about 55 psi in the bag. It was perfect for keeping the truck level. It drove much better. So if you're looking to do this, if you're not sure if you need them, want them, how to do it, again, check out the videos. I'll put the link in the description and in the card earlier on how to install, where to get them, my thoughts. But so far, I've had these guys for a couple of loads now. This is by far the biggest, and I've loved every second of driving with this flooring here. So if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and as always, stay tuned for more.